Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we remove a background of a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now in our previous video, we have learned how to format a picture, and under that picture formatting, we have an option for removing background. So in this video, I'm going to specifically explain you how you can remove a background picture. Okay. So for that, you have to select the picture first. Now in this, talking about this picture, this is basically a Quora logo, and I want to remove this white color in this logo. So to remove the white color, I'm going to select the picture and then click on format. Now you have to click on remove background. Now you can see the pink color that is already selected is the areas which I want to remove. Okay, see the mark areas which you have to remove. So I don't want to remove this one, so I'll deselect it. So to remove the selection, what I will do is delete mark areas to keep, obviously. So I want to keep that area, so I'll click on mark areas to keep, and I'll mark the outer one like this. Okay, now I want to remove the white color inside this logo. So I'll click on mark areas to remove, select the white colors. Now if you see here, when I'm selecting the white colors, the internal portion is also getting selected. So now I have to remove this internal portions. So I'll click on mark areas to keep, and I'll click here this way. So just click here, keep changes. As you can see, the white portion is now transparent. So this way guys, you can remove the background in Microsoft PowerPoint of a big picture. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.